Well, howdy y'all, and welcome to Lazy May's Country Kitchen.
Alrighty guys, this morning I was getting ready to make pancakes or either French toast, and I got my syrup out, and as you can tell, it's separated. I've never done this, don't know what's going to happen, so we're going to set it in the hot water and see if we can get it to mix just like you do honey that's turned to sugar. So we're just going to put it in here. Alright, I got to thinking, I hope that this don't melt the bottom of that. So I got this thing out of my Instapot. And I'm going to turn it over just so it'll be enough to hold it off of the bottom. We may have syrup everywhere, so let's just see how it goes. But we got the burner turned off, and the water's hot. It ain't boiling or nothing, it's just good and warm. So I'm going to leave it sitting there for a few minutes, and we'll let you know what happens. Alrighty guys, it's been sitting there for about 10 minutes.
Maybe.
And it's starting to do what it needs to do. He's getting ready to shake it and mix it. He's stronger than I am. But you can see it's already a lot more liquidy. A while ago it would not do that. Sorry. So all he's doing is shaking it, mixing it, and we're going to set it back in there for just another few minutes. He's got it turned on while he's got it out to give it a little bit more heat, but as you can tell, it's working. It's just got some chunks in it that has not completely dissolved. I honestly think it would be alright, but you're going to have some crystallized little chunks on your pancakes or your French toast. I don't know yet which I'm making, but I'm going to make one or the other with some homegrown sausage. But we decided to open it up in case it started building any pressure. But we'll bring you back in just a few minutes while it sits there and does its thing. Our syrup. Oh, and I done taste tested it, and that stuff is actually as good as it was the day we got it. We're both diabetic, so we can't use that much of it, and we didn't know that whenever we got it. So we've had it for a while, and that's the reason it done what it done. But you want to check it out? Alrighty guys, it's been on there for about 5 more minutes, so we're going to check it again. And I was going to do this in the microwave, but that's a really big bottle and it would not fit in my microwave, and I wasn't going to lay it down and do it. So that's why we're doing it this way. And I think she's good. Well, yeah, them's just air bubbles, so she's good. And I'll promise you, she tastes just as good as, because we tested it. Because I told him, I said, there ain't no need in going through all of this if it don't taste no good, but it does.